Tough economy keeps DJ Tira's price tag at R100K. Do you have R100K in the bank? Well then, the good news is that you can still get a Tira feature on your song. The Muso is one of the biggest stars in Mzansi, and that talent costs a lot. In fact, it costs R70,000 for a verse and R100,000 for a hook. While petrol and the price of Pampers goes up, Tira announced this weekend that his price tag won't. He said the bad state of the economy at the moment motivated him to freeze his prices. Talk about number country duty. It seems we are all in the wrong career. While there may be some who are celebrating the news, most fans still think it's too pricey and asked why they should pay R100K for Chaiki 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 Chaya. In fact, they already have Tira's verse all figured out.